How to change Airbnb currency and languages. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up the Airbnb application in your mobile device. And just like that, sign in to your account. Once signed in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the profile icon right over here. Tap onto it. Scroll below, then tap on account settings. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on payments. Now, at the very top right corner, you will be able to find an option to change your currency. Simply tap onto it. And now choose your currency. After that, your currency will be changed. Now, when it comes to changing language, the option is not available in Airbnb mobile app. But don't worry, you can still change it using a desktop. Just open up Airbnb on your browser and just like that, repeat the same process. And inside here, you will be able to find an option that says language and currency option. From there, you can easily select your preferred language. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.